Alright, it's September 23rd and we're getting ready to participate, hopefully, in a 2-day race at my home track called the Door Slammers. And my seat belts are outdated and they probably won't check the bracket cars, but there's a possibility they could, so I need to replace my belts. If you look at the old ones, you'll see I've been a bad boy. Yeah, these are way at, where is my inspection tag at? Yeah, they're past due. They're fine. I guarantee you they're fine. But every 2 years they get outdated, and I was told a long time ago you can get them inspected, but I don't know of anyone that inspects them. And I think if you're certified to do it, which I'm not, you can add a new tag on it, but I don't know of anybody that does that. So it's kind of ridiculous that these expire every 2 years, because look at them, they're almost toe straps. So, but I'm going to have to replace them. $109 for these. And every year they're slightly different. I can never find the same brand I had. At least not available as quick as I need them. I didn't really think about this till yesterday or the day before. So hopefully it'll just be a bolt-in swap. Let's see. I've got them bolted to some nuts that are welded to the cage, and any excess is just wrapped around there. They go through here. These guys are bolted to a nut that is welded to the frame, and it looks like I hopefully have the same ends. Yeah, looks like it. Sometimes the bolt hole is slightly different. I have to open them up, but these have padding, unlike my old ones. Maybe that'll be more comfortable, but let's get this in and get her done. Alright, everything is pretty much just hooked up just like the old ones did. Not much difference there. Now these have two things that the old ones didn't. This has got the padding on the shoulder. I don't mind that so much. But it also had a latch, which I don't think is necessary, that connected them. But it was like way up here, and I guess I could loosen those up and bring these down, and then I would have to pull these up. You can flip this little lever here and give yourself a little slack there. I recommend that on these before you strap yourself in, but because that way it's easier to get it on. And then, as I'll show you here in a second, you can just tighten them up once you're all latched in. Then you just pull these down and you're nice and tight. I do like these pads, but that strap that connects them right here is like right under my chin. And I guess the way to fix that is I could loosen them in the back and pull it all down and then re-strap them. But I'm just going to leave these like this. But the padding does feel good on the shoulders. So that's an improvement. And we are now fully dated. I just hope they don't check my helmet, because I think it's outdated too. And there's no time to order one. If I can get by with that, I might buy one next year just in case I get to race at Indy. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not next year. But that's it. Okay, now on the helmet, this thing is front. You got to look in here. Oh, this is going to be impossible to do. One hand, but if you look down in there, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. You can pull that away. That's a 2005. I'm pretty sure that's outdated, but there's nothing I can do about it. But it's never been in a crash, thankfully, because I bought it new and I've never crashed this car. Knock on wood. Hope that never happens. But other than that, I think we're good to go, and chances are we won't even get checked because I'm a local car there at that track, and they don't usually look at the guys who show up every weekend, people that they know. So, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't stay up to the standards. But the helmet, that's going to be fine, I'm sure. So, we'll put this thing in the trailer, and I guess the next video will be at the track. Hopefully I'm going to get some footage of some of the stockers and super stockers. There's going to be some class cars running down there. I'll get some video of them running, and we'll have the GoPro in this one, and I'll show you how I do. Haven't gone a lot of rounds this year. I won one race, got runner-up about 3 weeks after that, but all the other weekends I just can't get past the second round. So I'm just going to go down there, make some passes, enjoy the cool weather. The car should be running better, and just going to have fun because racing season's almost over, and I took 2 days off just to race at this 2-day thing, and I just want to have some fun before winter hits.